Wichita Falls officials have confirmed that a pool of mosquitoes has tested positive for West Nile virus. Tyshawn Dawson met with a city official today. So Tyshawn, what precautions can people take to protect themselves?
Carney, although the city is conducting both active and passive surveillance, officials say the #1 thing we can do is wear an EPA-approved insect repellent such as DEET.
Health officials in Wichita Falls are urging residents to take precautions after a pool of mosquitoes tested positive for West Nile virus. The infected mosquitoes were found in a routine surveillance trap in central Wichita Falls. Environmental Health Administrator Samantha Blair says the mosquito control workers have been working diligently to combat the influx we've seen.
The daytime workers have been going out. They go out throughout the county and the city of Wichita Falls into areas where there's known mosquito breeding sites, and they check for the presence of mosquito larvae and treat. In the last 2 weeks, we've sprayed nearly the entire county.
The city only sprays public property, so if you want to protect your home, you can purchase a variety of products or contact a licensed pest control specialist. Due to heavy rain and flooding in recent months, flood mosquitoes have emerged as a big problem.
They're generally really large. They'll bite you through your denim pants. And I've been completely covered in bug spray, and they're like, it's just seasoning. They don't care.
The good thing is, this species is not a disease carrier.
Our disease carrier are the Culex quinx mosquitoes here around town. There are general stagnant water breeding mosquito. So if you have any areas on your property where there's trash that has some leaf litter, grass trimmings in that water, you're going to be growing those disease carriers, and you want to make sure that you dump, drain, and wipe the sides.
As the season continues, officials will continue to monitor mosquito populations and test for additional cases of West Nile virus.
Officials encourage residents to stay informed and take necessary steps to protect yourself. There's actually an interactive mosquito map that informs you of the number of West Nile cases, where there are high concentrations of mosquitoes, where they've sprayed, and where they plan to spray next. A link to that map can be found inside this story on Texomashomepage.com.
All right, like you said, make sure we take those preventative measures. We don't want to risk anything and getting that West Nile. Tyshawn, thank you so much for that report.